In today's video, we are going to make a snowy scene cake. The ingredients you need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, butter, sugar, salt, and an egg yolk. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour. Fold in the remaining flour. Spread it into the bottom of a cake mold. My mold is 8 inches in diameter and 2.5 inches in height. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are cream cheese, whipped cream, milk, lemon juice, plain yogurt, gelatin sheet, blue pea flour powder, vanilla extract, and sugar. Mix the cream cheese with the plain yogurt, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and sugar. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix the whipped cream with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the milk for 1 minute and add in the soaked gelatin. Mix until the gelatin melts. Gradually mix the milk into the cream cheese whipped cream mixture. Measure out 200 grams of the cheesecake mixture. Mix in the blue pea flour powder. Pour the blue cheesecake mixture into the bottom of a cake mold. Freeze for 30 minutes. Fill a small cake mold with some beans to add weight. My mold is 5 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. Place the small cake mold off-center about 1 inch from the edge of the large cake mold. Pour the white cheesecake mixture around the small mold. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Remove the small cake mold. Remove the cake from the large cake mold. cut off a 1-inch wide slice of the cake. The ingredients you need are gelatin sheet, warm water, whipped cream, and cocoa powder. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Add the soaked gelatin to the warm water and mix until it melts. Refrigerate for 45 minutes to partially set. Beat the whipped cream to stiff peaks. Use a medium round piping tip to pipe a wavy line in the hole in the cake and fill in the area between the line and the edge of the hole. Pipe a square and a triangle for a house. Pipe a snowman beside the house. Use a hot cake knife to make all the surfaces smooth. Mix the cocoa powder with the remaining whipped cream. Use a small round piping tip and the brown whipped cream to pipe windows for the house. Pipe buttons, arms, and a face for the snowman. Slowly pour in the partially set gelatin water. Refrigerate for at least 1.5 hours.